Hello everyone. Today my team will make a discussion about conservation efforts and elephant protection. My team has 5 members including Bình, Nhung, Sang, Thế Anh and Quat. In this conversation, these people come together to discuss the urgent need for wildlife protection, focusing on the plight of elephants. They explore how deforestation, illegal ivory trade, and human-elephant conflicts are threatening these majestic creatures. The dialogue highlights the important roles played by organizations like CITES and WWF, the value of elephant sanctuaries, and the critical contribution of local communities through ecotourism and education. Together, they emphasize that by raising awareness and working collaboratively, meaningful change can be achieved to secure a safer future for elephants and the broader ecosystem. Let's get started.
Hello everyone. Today we are discussing the importance of wildlife protection, especially elephants. We know that deforestation has a big impact on animals, especially elephants. Their habitat are disappearing and that make them more vulnerable to poaching and human elephant conflicts. CITS and WWF are two organizations that help protect elephants. CITS work to stop illegal ivory trade, and WWF help protect their homes and reduce conflicts.
That's right, Bing. Deforestation make it harder for elephants to survive. CITS play a hard role in stopping the illegal ivory trade, which is one of the main reasons for elephants are killed. Without this, elephant would be much greater danger. WWF is important too because it educates people about elephant and their role in ecosystem.
It's totally new, but it's not just about stopping poaching. Elephant also needs these places to lie. Sanctuary are a risk solution, especially in Asia, where elephants are often recused from captivity or bad condition. This sanctuary allows them to lie freely without fear of torture. But we need more funding and support to make sure these policies continue to exist.
That's a good point, Sam. Sanctuaries are essential, but the local community also play a big part in elephant protection. Ecotourism is one way they can help. When people visit sanctuary, they not only raise money for elephant protection, but they also learn about elephants and their environment, which help increase awareness.
Exactly. And when local communities are involved, they feel more responsible for the safety of elephants. They can help by reporting poachers or working to reduce human elephant conflicts. For example, they can grow crops that elephants don't eat or build fences to protect their farms. This makes it easier to live alongside elephants.
Yes, but education is a key. When people understand why elephants are important to the environment, they will be more likely to help protect them. Elephants are not just about beautiful creatures. They have maintained the balance of ecosystem by creating water holes or clearing paths that other animals can use. protect them, help all wildlife.
That's exactly right. We need to keep educating people and we need to support the organization that help protect elephants. If we all work together, we can make a big difference. We can protect elephants and of other animals too.
We still have time to make a change, but we must act quickly. If we all take action, we can help elephants survive and thrive for future generations.
Reducing economic demand is crucial. Stricter law and awareness can help stop poaching.
Let's continue raising awareness and supporting efforts to protect elephants. By working together, we can give them a safe future.